Government employees and military personnel face unique challenges when it comes to making travel and housing arrangements. Rules and requirements around accommodations make it impossible to use websites like Airbnb, HomeAway, etc. during official travel. Take the time and worry out of booking your short-term rentals. At Ease was created to solve your travel challenges by building a better way to book and stay for federal and military personnel and families. Our system will generate an expense statement that meets federal criteria to help get your money back as quickly as possible. Every property listed here is hand-selected and certified to ensure it meets federal guidelines and our own strict quality standards. Whether you're bridging the gap during PCS moves or traveling for your job or duties, our easy-to-use website and booking engine helps cut through federal travel regulations, red tape, and ensure you never come up short on reimbursements again. At Ease Booking will automatically generate an expense statement that meets federal criteria for each transaction to ensure you receive maximum reimbursement for lodging. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to learn how At Ease can meet your most demanding military housing requirements.